Hello and welcome, I'm Nathan42 and this is Cool Things on Instructables number 2. Okay, so first up is this, the NeoPixel LED face mask. It's very topical at the moment as the world is hiding behind face masks. This one requires quite a bit of work such as soldering, cloth work and hot glue work, as well as some tinkering and some small computer boards. It's definitely not a quick make, given the time and effort you can create something quite amazing and unique. Now we have the hands-free wall-mounted hand sanitizer dispenser. It might be worth shortening the name down for that, but essentially what we have here is a hand gel that is actuated by a foot pedal. When I first saw this, I thought it was going to be some complex Raspberry Pi contraption, but instead I was shocked by its simplicity and how it just made sense. Undercomplicating it makes it more accessible, and that is what's really important right now. Just make sure to be wary of lead-footed family members. This time we have the VK01 off-road Bartender. Now I haven't seen Blade Runner, that this is supposedly inspired by, so I may not understand the full story behind it. Either way, it looks amazing. There is a ton of electronics behind it, some fancy features, food grade water pumps, multiple Raspberry Pis and Arduinos, 3D printed parts, RFID readers and cards, screens and digipads, not to mention cool RGB LED lighting. This thing is in a world of its own when it comes to quality. If nothing, you should really see the video on the Instructables website talking about it. It really is amazing. This one is an underground drinks cooler. I mean, who doesn't want or need one of those? If it actually keeps the drinks cool is yet to be seen by me. Might have to install one to find out myself. It doesn't seem like it's too difficult to make from the tutorials. Either way though, it would be a great addition to your garden or a super secret place to hide your spare keys, just in case you have one too many down the local. This is the final one we'll talk about today, and wow, it looks impressive. I want to make one of these myself. This baby Cheetah V2 is a walking dog looking thing with its own batteries, command chips, and a few interesting I/O type devices. Even as just a learning experiment, it would be really cool to learn how to program something to use these inputs and outputs in robotics. I really like the idea of this one, and I think I will do this myself in the near future. And there we have it, 5 awesome projects on Instructables. As always, the links to everything in this video are in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you plan to do any of these, or if you have any you would like to recommend for future episodes. Take it easy. Goodbye.